Did you know that neglecting your AC filter can lead to poor cooling and higher electricity bills? In this video, I'll show you, step by step, how to clean your AC filter easily and safely. First, turn off your AC unit for safety. Locate and carefully remove the AC filter. Carefully pull the AC unit filter out of the unit. If you see a lot of dust, you can vacuum it off before washing. If it's reusable, vacuum loose debris or wash gently with mild soap and water. Ensure it's completely dry before placing it back. Once the filter is completely dry, slide it back into place and close the cover securely. Reconnect the power and turn on the AC to make sure everything works properly. Regularly cleaning your AC filter helps maintain cooling performance and extends the life of your unit. Aim for cleaning your AC unit filter every 2 to 3 months, especially if you have pets at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more practical home tips.